Welcome to our update on freelance platforms. Today, we explore the evolution from Odesk to Upwork and the integration of Elance. Hello, everyone. This is Nazir speaking. Today, I have no degree, no professional course, but I bring real-world experience and dedication. I started with zero skills, learned by observing, working nights, experimenting, failing, improving. On Upwork, I have completed more than 700 jobs, all through hard work, consistency, and real client trust. I began as an office boy and a security guard, but I never stopped learning and improving myself. No degree, no course, but I built myself with hard work, discipline, and never giving up. This is Nazir. Thank you for watching and stay connected. Nazir, thank you for watching.